My kids already have documents in their science notebook on Google Drive, but I'm just going to practice with a science article review that we would do in my class. It opens with a program called Preview, and you can annotate documents on this preview. All the kids have to do is hit this pin, and it drops down options for them. My favorite is the T for the text box, where they can write their name and then drag it to where it needs to go. I have experimented with some shapes, like if they need to circle something, we do that. They have tried to do the drawing the pin. It is a little bit challenging, and it does make corrections for them. So they try to draw and then it makes corrections for them, but they can change the setting on that, so that way they can draw free-handedly. And then they are also able to change the font size and do bold and change the color if they would like. There is also a highlighting feature. It's right up here at the top. You can select their color and then they just highlight what they need to. They do need to remember that they need to file and save their documents. If they do not save, then the changes will not be made.